Hi, I'm going to proceed with where I left off from last time. Here I'm going to show you how we can make use of the Google Drive as the main resource, really, and show you how we can create a link to allow visitors to download files from my website in Google. So if I just double click that, and I'm just going to show you where the file exists. So this is the web page that I've uploaded into my Google Drive, and the file that exists are several, so we don't need to get confused with any of those files, but the file that I'm interested in is in the download files and also the HTML download file. So three things we're going to do, and basically these three things are going to be, first of all, show you my main page area, and also open the folder path where the files are going to we're going to share with visitors, and embed this to the HTML code. So I'm going to open up the I'm going to open up the web page, my main web page, by pasting the link that I have in Notepad. So if I just show you this area, it's not excellent, but it will do for me now. But this is the main area that I want to concentrate on, focus on. So if I just select that, this is an area where I want users to come in and visit to download files that I want to share with them, maybe for tutorials or other purposes. So I want to have a link here for them to download database files, and have a link here for them to download some image files. The reason I put these asterisks is for them to identify quickly where it is, located quite quickly where it is in the HTML code for my download file. Okay, for the download file. So let's go ahead and do that. So second thing I want to do is open a folder path where the files for sharing with visitors. So if I just show you the files that I wish to share with the visitors are these, really. I want to share customer order details, product, main subform, and my logo. I'm just going to do those two first. So these two files I want to share, and how do I embed it into my web page in the download area? So let's see how we can do that. So the third thing we're going to do is embed the code. So first of all, let me just show you what I mean. So this is where we want to embed. So now I want to see the HTML version of this code here. And the HTML version we can find by looking at the download file and opening it with Notepad. And obviously we can quickly find it because you can see such a complex code. It looks as if it's so complex, but it's not really. So this is where we want to be able to, somewhere here, we want to be able to download. This is one of the asterisks, and it says here that and this is the database one, and the other one is here is where we want to get visitors to download image files. So let's just go ahead and do that. So what we want to do first of all is go into our Google Drive. So open up the Google Drive and upload the folder. So here we have 1, 2, 3 folders uploaded from our local drive into Google Drive. I assume you know how to do that. And once you uploaded it, you need to right click and share. Go to share and make sure you have this link copied into Notepad. So let's just copy this into Notepad and I'll show you what I mean. So this is the path. Now we don't want the whole thing to be copied. We only want to have the folder ID up until this point here. So this is the folder ID and we don't need any of the rest. So the folder ID is here, but now we need to know the Google path, which is really this is the path. Let me just embed that to show you quickly. So this is the path we want to embed. So folder ID is there, and now we want to make sure that we name the folder. So the name of the folder, as you mentioned before, is, sorry, let me just close this, is say main form, main and subform, ACCDB. ACCDB. So if I just highlight that, ACCDB, that's the form that we want to upload, get users to upload. So what we want to do is get these things sorted out first. So main form and subform dot ACCDB, and then that's the actual path where the folder is, and I hope I've got that right. And the other one is obviously the same thing but a different file, the image file. It's going to be the same thing, so I can just copy and paste it and change that to logo, my logo dot, this time extension is PNG file. So if I just delete that, this is the PNG file. Now, third thing, what we need to do is embed a HTML code. So we need to have the appropriate statement or the code to link to embed it into the download file. So let's just see what the code is. So